Hello everyone, this is how to do a long division and have something to help you remember how to do it. So what I like to say is, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? And as you can see, there are some red letters. Those are the letters that will help you remember. If you remember this question, you will remember how to do a long division. All right, first, let's figure out what does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers mean. Well, what it means is does means to divide, McDonald's means to multiply, sell means to subtract, cheeseburgers means to check, and burgers means to bring down. So, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? You guys are thinking, oh my goodness, how the heck does this have to do with long division? Well, stick with me and we'll see how it works. First, here's our problem. Here's our little thing again over here. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Does, I like to put the symbols next to it. Divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down. I even wrote it out for you right here. Divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down. All right. First, usually we go when we add or subtract, we always go from right to left. But here in division, long division, we're going to go from left to right. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at this number. It means 693 divided by 3. Let's look at it step by step. We're going to ignore these two numbers and we're just going to look at the hundreds. So we're going to think, how many 3s will it take to make 6 or almost 6? So if you sing your 3 song here, how many fingers do you have up? 3, 6, oh. How many fingers? 3, 6. You have, how many fingers do you have up? You have 2 fingers up. So we're going to put that answer 2 right there. So we just divide it. Done. Divide. 2. Now we're going to multiply. So 2 times 3, 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 3 is 6. The next step is sell, which means to subtract. 6 minus 6 is how much? 0. Now you're going to do your cheese. Check. 0, we always want to see if 0 or the number when you subtract is less than this number right here. So 0 is less than 3. We're good. Next one is bring down, burgers, bring down. So you're going to bring down this 9 right here. And you're going to start the process all over again. So we're going to look at this number right here. We're not going to look at any of these numbers up here. We're just going to look at these numbers right here. So the 0 doesn't really mean anything. So we're just going to look at the 9. So we're divide. So we're going to sing our 3 song until we get to 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. How many fingers do I have on my hand? That answer will go right here. How many fingers do you have? You have 3 fingers. So we just divide it. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now we're going to multiply. 3 times 3 equals what? 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we're going to subtract. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Next, what are we going to do? Burgers, which means to bring down 3. And then we're going to start all over again. Does means to divide. The only thing we're looking at are these numbers right here, which really the 0 doesn't mean anything because it's in front of the number. So we're just looking at the 3. 3 divided by 3 is, put your fingers up and sing your song. 3, oh, we're there. 1 finger, that's all I had up. Let's multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we're going to subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. We're going to check. 0 is less than 3. If 0 is less than 3, we're good. Next, we're going to bring up. There's nothing left. So that's my answer. 231. 231. All right, let's try another one. So first, I'm going to look at the whole number. Let's just say the problem out loud. 546 divided by 2. So if I split this number up into 2 groups, maybe there's 2 people that want 546 items. How many items is each person going to get? So 5 divided by 2. How many 2's will it take to make up 5? Or almost 5? So let's go by 2. 2, 4, 6. You don't want to go above the number. You want to be a little bit lower than the number, if not the number. In this case, 5, when we say our 2's, we don't get to 5. We get 2, 4, 6. 6 is too many, but 4 would be good. So how many fingers do you have up? 2, 4. You have up 2 fingers. So that was our division. Next, we're going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Next, we're going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. We're going to check. 1 is less than 2. If it's 1 is less than 2, you did a good job. So let's move on. Next, you're going to bring down. Now your number is 14. So let's count on our hand until we get to 14, because remember, we're starting all over. Divide again. So I'm putting my fingers up as I'm counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many fingers do you have in the air? I have 7. So 7 would go up here. Remember, your fingers go on top. 7. Now I'm on multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Next step, I'm going to subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. Next, I'm going to check. 0 is less than 2. Am I good? Yep, I'm good. Next up, I'm going to bring down 6. Bring it down. Now I'm going to start all over again. I'm going to divide. 0, 6. So really, I'm just going to think of it as 6. So how many 2's will it take to make up 6 or almost 6? Let's count by 2's on our fingers. 2, 4, 6. Oh, that one worked perfect. How many fingers do you have in the air? I have 3 fingers in the air. Next step is to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Next, I'm going to subtract. 3 times 2 is 6. And now I'm going to subtract. And when I get 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, I'm going to check. 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2. Yep, I'm good. So let's bring down. Nope, I have nothing else to bring down. So my answer is 273. All right, I hope you like this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, everyone.